So I'm gonna work on building the digging foundation for the house and just laying it where the garage pad is for now, and going from there. I'll eventually probably have to move some snow, but pretty happy where we're at. A little bit of snow removal, 160, pretty good size excavator, but moved a lot of dirt today. Hopefully we don't get a whole lot of snow tonight, because it's already soup, man. On site at Cedar. Last day on that foundation. Gonna be forming by next week. Got our pull string, some batten boards. Gonna grade out, get these garage footers right. Chopped off and got all that water line earlier. There's dog shit outside. I'm with the foreman, hanging all our bar.
Hey, yo. There we go, baby.
That's that Mullen 3-peat right there. Getting that inside form going. I just got brand new boots last week. Shit is soupy. Them shits had the tag on them this morning. The shits had the tag on them. Just tied in and spent the last 3 weeks over on the other side of the estates, putting in a water line. Back over here at Cedar with the foreman. Gonna spend the day getting our garage footers 100% to grade and perfect, everything dialed in. Just put our transit out. Absolutely love our corners and our top of footers and our grade on everything. Good. Yes sir, keep going this way. What's that looking like? Perfect. Got everything hung over here. Doing and checking this completely off the list. We're totally good until we get our pour on pour day here next week. Got our Nudura ordered this morning. Got all our rebar cut. Got our dowels. When we pour these in, we'll put them in like that and they'll stick up. We'll be able to tie into our wall. Yeah, yesterday was just a crazy day coming back from Memorial Day, trying to get everything together, get your head right. Micromanagement, 1,000 things had to get lined up. It was a slow day, but we're on it today. Foundation over here looks perfect. Everything's crossed off the list. We like it, we like it. Now we're gonna finish the day over here. Just formed these garage footers. Had to do a little arts and crafts because the prints call for a 1-foot overhang on both north and south walls, a little bit more structure. So yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and bend some bar and hang this and have an inspection call by the end of the day. We got our laser over there. Probably won't be able to hear it with this guy, but can we run with this a couple times? Is it on? Let's hear it sing. Try the other side. I hear it, you hear it? Look good. You hear it? So the laser has the correct level for our top of grade, and he's hearing it. So we know that we're equal and we're level and our grade is where it needs to be. So when we pour our concrete, nothing's wasted. Yep. Yep. I love when that thing sings. Got our dowels cut for our garage. It turned into a blizzard. Don't even care. Block all that shit out. Still got it done. Calling for an inspection. Should be inspected and passed tomorrow so we can go ahead with our pour next week. Mountain boy shit. We're all tied in, we're all on grade. Let's get pouring, baby.